What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean, and today we're going to be going over another iPhone 15 Pro Max accessory. This time we're going to be looking at the Süti brand case. All right. If you are someone that likes minimalism, this is probably as minimalistic as you can get. This case is just a case back, and I haven't ever tried any case backs yet, so I figured why not try Süti. I stumbled across them on Instagram and socials and was really curious as to what a kind of case would feel like, look like. Let's just jump into it. I'm excited to share with you guys this case, so let's do it. All right, so first we're taking a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. All right, I like the neutral color of the natural titanium. It just mixes and matches with accessories. All right, so if you've got black, if you've got the blue, if you've got the white, let me know in the comment section below. I decided to go with the natural titanium. So we'll set the phone over to the side and we'll look at the package. Now, I will say this disclaimer, I don't think this is Süti's fault, but my package did come kind of beat up. All right, and so a little disappointed that my case came in a beat up package, but nevertheless, let's take a look. All right, so we've got the kind of hollowed out plastic cut out with the Süti there that you can see. There's plastic in there, but it protects the case while it's being shipped and handled, and you've got a glimpse of the color of your case. Now I went with the warm gray. All right, nothing too crazy on the back, nothing on the front. Like I said, minimalistic, very, very minimalistic. All right, it's got this pull tab. You pull it out, and there it is, the warm gray right here. All it is a case back, so super thin. All right, the first look without the iPhone. We've got a raised camera lip here. It's also going to cover the components of your lenses. Got a little bit of Süti branding here, if I can get it on the camera for you guys. A little Süti branding right there, and that's about it. We flip it on the inside. We've got our MagSafe ring. This is a MagSafe case. We've got Süti branding in the middle there. That literally is it. All right, so we'll move the packaging out to the side, and we will slap this onto the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So there's the warm gray on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A little bit of the lighting in here. Looks a little bit white in some different lighting, and then when you kind of turn on it, it does look gray. I decided to go with the warm gray. It looked more like stone or cream on the website when I placed my order. I just thought that would accent the natural titanium on there, but that's really it. Super minimalistic. So let's take a look at what we've got here. As I mentioned before, it's going to cover our camera. So you see the bump there. See how it covers the components, right? But then really on the sides, you've got no protection. So for folks that drop their phone a lot, the Süti case may not be for you. If you like minimalism, if you like the feel of kind of that silicone, you kind of more want to make a statement with your case and your phone, I definitely would try this out. Believe it or not, I was a little worried in the beginning that I would drop my phone. I'm not prone to drop my phone, but having a case that's not really protecting my phone, those are the thoughts that kind of go through your mind. However, I did not drop it, and I soon found out that I actually like kind of the color combination here of the titanium and the gray, but then I also liked the texture of going from silicone into the titanium sides of your phone. When gripping it, you've got the silicone on the back, which kind of gives you that ergonomic grippy. It's really where your texture and your grip are coming from on here on the back with the silicone, but then the sides of the iPhone just don't feel as slippery when you've got it braced on the back. Now the classic kind of iPhone on the back, a lot of complaints we get is it's slippery, so holding it on the side sometimes is not enough when this is so slippery on the back. So the case back gives it a little bit more grip and actually makes holding your iPhone feel pretty good. All right, so that's the case. The first glance, it is MagSafe, so I got a couple accessories that we'll test out. All right, we'll test out this mag back wallet. All right, goes on there, got a nice shake. That's not coming off. Got another accessory here, Anchor charging brick. Put that on there. That's not coming off either. So Süti's got some nice magnets. Obviously the products that I'm demoing as well for MagSafe have strong magnets as well, so it helps when both the accessories have strong magnets. All right, and then I have a Belkin kind of continuity cam pop socket accessory that I use a lot, and we'll test that out. All right, so you got strong magnets. All right, and just a test of the case itself on the iPhone, that is not coming off, and you can do kind of a move test on here. You really got to apply some pressure even just to kind of get it to start moving on there. This has really good magnets. It's not going to come off. If you drop your phone, I can't promise you the impact won't knock this case off. Definitely if you drop your phone, you're probably going to run the risk of some damage on the sides or potentially your screen. I do have a screen protector on it that kind of mitigates some of the damage, but with this type of case, literally just for style, for comfort, for looks, it is not there to give you any protection. All right, now normally on this channel, when I do my reviews, I do tactility of the buttons, but as you can see, the buttons are wide open. So of course you're going to get the tactility of the Apple iPhone buttons there. And then obviously the bottom is open. So I'll just demo it. Just seeing is believing. All right. You're going to be able to get any type of USB-C charger in the bottom of that. All right. So let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think about Süti brand? All right. I'm new to the company, to the case, to their products. I actually like this case. They have a bunch of different colors on the website. They also have some leather case backs that just released recently. So if you like the leather texture rather than kind of the silicone texture, maybe check those out on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys, but holler at me. What do you guys think about Süti? Is it a case that you would rock? Is it worth it? What's the price point for what you're getting out of this product? Let me know. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback on this, but that's it. Appreciate you guys sticking to the end of this video. I'm out of here. Like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.